Play on words.
Traveling on BC Ferries during COVID. We need to go on a ferry boat. First, we drive to the ferry terminal. Now we're driving up to the ticket counter. This is where we will buy our tickets. We need to wait in a line of cars. Soon it will be our turn to buy a ticket. Then we will drive to another spot. This is where we will wait until we can drive onto the ferry boat. I can play while I'm sitting in my car seat. My parents might say that we can get out of the car and we can go for a walk. But I must hold somebody's hand. This is a parking lot. I will hear an announcement to tell me to come back to my car. Then I can walk back. I'll get back into my car seat. Now we drive onto the ferry. Now we're on the ferry. The BC Ferries employee tells us where to go. We will park the car here. I should stay inside the car. If I have to go upstairs to go to the bathroom, I need to wear a mask. This is what it looks like when I need to go upstairs to the upper decks. I need to make sure I give people 2 meters of space. We'll find the bathroom together. My parents will help me wash my hands when I come out. They might say it's okay to stay on the upper decks, but if it's not, we can go back down the stairs. My parents remember where we parked our car. There it is. My parents might let me take a walk on the vehicle deck. It can be windy and noisy sometimes. From the front of the boat, we can see the ocean and the islands. We can see another ferry boat. We can see speedboats. And we can see container ships. The ferry ride lasts for an hour and a half. When it's all done, there will be an announcement and everybody comes back to their cars and drives off the ferry boat. We are all done on BC Ferries now. We can drive to where we're going. See you later!